What's going on, guys? Welcome to the blog again. I just want to show you that I just got this line right here as a clutch line that I supposed to that I have to attach to this one right here, because the one that comes with the engine, they cut it off. They cut it off right here, so that's why I order a new one. And another thing that I want to show you guys, like I say, you guys know this is my F20B with the LSD transmission. I just did the swap not long ago, and I'm still working on it. Today I just received this beauty right here. This is a really nice headers. Man, they look nice. They look nice, bruh. Look at this. And it comes with few beauties. Look at that. That's what's up. Let me just open this. Test it. They look really nice. The work on it, they're really nice. Basically, they look like the PLM headers or the 320 headers. Just get these through eBay. GXP. I really love the way that they packaged on this box. Looks really nice. So let's text feed this thing and see how it looks. Look at this weld on it. Man, they look really nice. This thing is fire. Jesus. I like it. Let's put it on the floor. This is how it looks. Look at the weld on this thing. Man, this thing is fire. I like it. And the price? Man, this header is money, bro. Look at that. That looks nice. Come with a gasket. Come with a license plate. 2 stickers. And this is where I get it from. Man, I highly recommend this. This is really nice.